of the following guards the opening of hepatopancreatic duct into the duodenum? The correct answer is option D, sphincter of Oddi. Sphincter of Oddi is the muscular valve that controls the flow of digestive juices, that is the bile and the pancreatic enzymes, from the hepatopancreatic duct, which is the combined duct of the liver and the pancreas, into the duodenum, which is the first part of the small intestine. So it regulates the release of bile from the gallbladder and pancreatic enzymes from the pancreas into the duodenum for digestion. So the answer is option D. Whereas option A, semilunar valve, it refers to the valves in the heart, not digestive system. Option B, ileocecal valve. So it controls the flow of materials from the ileum to the cecum, not from the hepatopancreatic duct to the duodenum. Option C, pyloric sphincter. So this regulates the passage of partially digested food from the stomach to the duodenum, not from the hepatopancreatic duct into the duodenum. So option C is also incorrect. The answer is option D.